So let's try some more. This one would be y minus 7 equals the slope times x minus 5. So this one we have a slope of 0. So you may remember that that means we have a horizontal line, which is like this. So the equation should end up being just y equals. So here's my point slope form. But this would simplify to y minus 7 equals 0, so y equals 7. And you can put this in instead of that, but my point slope and my slope intercept are basically the same here on that special case. On this one, y minus 2 equals negative 2/3 times x minus 6. So y minus 2 equals negative 2/3 minus, when I multiply these two together, I get a plus 4, and then add the 2 over. Y equals negative 2/3 x plus 6.